and then bring it, just push down as far as it can go automatically. Alright, yeah?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Is that like it's going away a bit?
No.
Good. Well, we're halfway there, aren't we? Next one. I use my knee to hold it like that. There is no definitive way of doing it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We put it on 4th groove again, just like you did before. And look for the line at the top. Yeah?
Well, this one don't really stay together.
Okay, just press them together, thing away.
The shelf keeps it together once the shelf's over it, you see.
Yeah, the shelf gives it. You manage that?
Right.
Can you twist it like that? Okay. And just bring it in again. Like we did before. Just so it sits snugly. Alright?
Yep.
Okay. Let's turn them over. It's alright.
Your side's fine, by the way.
Your side's fine over it.
You did it right.
Okay with that? What we're going to do is we're going to tap it straight in due course. Where's the hammer?
You've got the, it's on the wrong rung. You've got the rung too low.
Is that the right one? 1, 2, 3,
No,
go.
no.
One up.
That's right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop dripping.
That's it.
Right. Okay, next one. So you get some more clips, and we're just going to repeat it. So what we're going to do, go a bit further. So count the 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll do the ring at the top of that. You okay with that? Feel clicking?
Yeah.
Same again on the other one. So 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect?
Yep.
Right. Okay, we've got to take this careful now, because they need to come down at the same speed. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
So we need to work together. Just let it drop. Gently, don't force it. Okay? Lift yours up a bit. Just try and get it in line with me. Okay, a bit like a dance. Alright, just lift yours up a bit. Just bring it down in line with me. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, try and keep it level. It's okay, don't force it.
This is the tricky bit, isn't it, with the
Yeah.
groove posts.
Okay, so don't worry about it. Keep going. Gently. Alright, keep going. Just keep it level. That's it, nice and gentle. Nearly there. Keep going. Just lift it, use your fingers a little bit. Alright? Yeah? Okay, so you okay?
Yep.
You going in it? It's alright, that's well pressed on it. lift yours up a little bit, Laura. Okay, there we go.
That's it.
Alright, try again.
You put the grips on.
Yep. Good spot. Your two. My two. Right, count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ring above. Okay with that?
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready for the next one?
You got enough grippers there?
Yeah, I think so.
There's one shot in that bag.
I've got it. Keep them together then. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Happy with them?
Yeah.
No.
No? That's not right. No.
It's 1, 2 then. It's the jobby.
All right.
Yep.
Those twistable. Let's try again. Right, let's try and just drop it down level. You okay?
Yeah.
Right, when it gets down to your eye level, try and follow the straightness of the thing. Alright, I'll come too quick there. You alright?
Yep.
Just finger tighten. Beautiful. Last one. How long have we been going?
7 minutes.
How long do you work here now, or is this your second week?
Yeah.
Right, count down from the top. So we'll end at that second,
So
third proper ring there.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you okay? 2 weeks. Is this better than cutting hair? People better.
Really.
I must be a low better boss than the last one.
It's all we'll bleep that.
It's alright, we'll believe that, yeah. You alright which one we're putting it on?
Third one down.
Yeah. Okay, is that one tight enough on?
Well, it won't go in it.
Will it twist?
Twist, yeah.
Beautiful. Last one then. You ready?
Yeah.
Keep it down. How tall are you, Laura?
Not very.
Okay. Okay, mine's come away again. Right. In.
Yeah. Oh no.
Okay. Can you do it? If mine will make it easier for you.
Go back down. Oh, there we go.
In.
Yep.
Perfect. Craven, 1200 by 600, 4-bay shelf, assembled in.
9 minutes and 36 seconds.
Is that the first time you've ever done that, Laura?
Yeah.
You're not used to lying, are you?
No.
Easy peasy.